Hello, it's me again on the channel, and what I'm about to do is I'm going to have a time lapse of me eating Mr. Kipling. Mr. Kipling, I'm going to eat lots of Mr. Kipling, so see you in a little while for the Mr. Kipling. I'm going to eat it all, like in a time lapse or something. So, BRB. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I was going to initially eat all of the goodies I had. Excuse me. But it's also the time of the essence and my throat's being dry. And I think I'm feeling a little bit not good. Like I will probably make a new video. I will when I make the new video, I will still leave off from where I left. So initially I will still eat all of them. With the Kipling, as everyone knows, it kind of lasts for a little while. Oh yeah, I was going to say that I'm eating them from what I find the worst to what I would find the best. And the first ones I'm eating today, definitely today, is the lemon slices. They say on the front, this is the front, Mr. Kipling, exceedingly good cakes, 8 lemons like 8 lemon layered slices. Oh look, 24th of May actually. That's not bad. That's not good. But to be honest, people, manufacturers would say that to scare people, so they want people to try and eat them before they go off. So until next time, catch you on the next video.